Ready? Fuente ready? Kitang tanan andam na. Placer for Sinulog Idol Season 17 as we listen to our judges.
Alright.
Judge Apple, please.
To the 6 of you, congratulations! You've made it to the grand finals! Ginhawag Lao. What we're going to do is instead of calling out our 6th, 5th, and 4th place, tagsa-tagsa namong tawagon ang musod sa top 3. Afterwards, diha ta mag-award sa atong 4th, 5th, and 6th place. To the 6 of you, amazing! Wa gyud mi na sayo pagpili ninyo. Malipayon kaayo mi that you gave it your all tonight. First, to enter our top 3, Judge Ryan.
Okay, are you ready? Yes! Ikaw may unang tawgon. Mubadayon ka. Mulaban ka para sa imong anak, Maricel Bigay!
This is in no particular order, ha? Ikaduha nga nasod sa top 3. Your pigeon has flown, Jan Francis Alinsonori. Before we announce the final idol to complete the top 3, asutan i-congratulate ang remaining 4. You did a very good job tonight. So, to complete the top 3, shout your bets! Congratulations! Because matupad na ang imong pangarap, Portia! To our top 3, congratulations! Please go backstage and prepare for your final round.
Okay, top 3 remains. Okay, sa nili pa nato, papahuwayon, papaandamon, ang pangutana, who will go first, second, or third to perform. They will have the live draw on stage.
Alright.
So atong tawagon si Rolanding. Musayaw ra ba na?
Kana, ingon ana dapat.
Ayaw sa ablihi ha, ayaw sa ablihi. Bunot.
Ayaw kablihi.
Isa ablihi. Gusto mo maging swap?
Look,
Gusto mo mag-swap? Gusto mo maging change?
Pwede mo mag-ilis.
Dili na? Okay, ato sa tanawan be. Para abli nila.
Baliban no o dili. Oo nga. Look. Pildili-ili ira ba diring gapitan?
Ako'y kibawagin sa'yo na.
Ay.
Okay. Murag. In chronological order. At count of 3, open it. 3, 2, 1, go!
First to sing will be Portia. Second to sing will be Francis. Last to sing will be Maricel.
Top 3, you may now prepare for your second round.
So again, we congratulate the top 3 for making it to the top 3 circle.
Pero wala pa talaga human.
Oh,
Although they cannot proceed to the next round, ang pangutana, who will bring home 8,000, 10,000, and 20,000?
Yes.
Ato
Alright.
ba Judge Apple?
In 6th place, congratulations to KJ Remoto.
Award the special trophy as 6th placer is D. Hiralia, Season 14, second runner-up.
place, congratulations to Evan Diel Villacastil.
To give the special trophy is Jovi Loon, Season 14 first runner-up.
And in fourth place, Martin Lausa, ladies and gentlemen.
Once again, your 4th, 5th, and 6th placer. Congratulations, gentlemen. Ha! Kulbahinam gayon.
Tigil ngigag yun, no? So, karon ay